welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beanie. It's simple pattern, it's very nice pattern. You can make what size you want and it's easy to do. I use the acrylic yarn. You can use any other type of yarn. And for this yarn I used 4.5 millimeters crochet hook and 5 millimeters crochet hook. Okay, start with a slip knot, and I'm going to use 4.5 millimeters crochet hook and then chain 7 for children's size. So if you are going to make an adult size, you can make 8 or 9 chains. So I'm going to make 7 chains. My yarn is called Sweet Roll from Himalaya brand. It's 100% acrylic. It's 224 meters and 140 grams. Okay, start in the second chain and make first single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in each chain across. And one ball of this yarn called Sweet Roll is enough even for an adult size. Okay, always at the end of each row, chain 1 and turn. And now we are going to start in the first stitch, but we will not use stitches, we will use just back loop. So this is back loop, you can see chain, and this is back loop, so use just this one loop. And start always in the first back loop and make first single crochet. So make 1 single crochet in the next 5 back loops. In my case, if you made 9 chains on the beginning, you have to make 1 single crochet in the next 7 back loop. Okay, now you have 1 stitch left. And we always make last single crochet into the stitch, not into the back loop. So last single crochet of each row has to go to the stitch, not to the back loop. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat it again. So start in very first back loop and make first single crochet. This is first single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 1 stitch left, so make last single crochet into the stitch, into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, continue working until you have the desired length of this strap, and that length has to be the same as circumference of the hat. So you can pause the video and then meet me back again. And the number of rows must be odd. Okay, and now we have to join both sides together. I'm going to join them with slip stitches. It's up to you. If you want to join both sides with yarn needle and sew it, you can, but I'm going to do it like this. So in the white side we will use stitches, and in the gray side we will use just back loop again. So here stitches, and here just back loop. Okay, so insert your hook into the back loop here into the stitch here, grab the yarn, pull it through and make a slip stitch, and continue working like this across. Okay, I'm at the end now. Chain 1, and I'm going to change the size of crochet hook. I'm going to use 5mm crochet hook, and then we are going to crochet the pattern. You can see rows and the space between rows. So this is row, this is space between rows. Yeah, rows, space. And you will start in the space, and you will always start with half double crochet. So make 1 half double crochet in the space between rows. Now go on the row into the stitch and make a slip stitch. 1 half double crochet between rows, 1 slip stitch on the row. So you will make 1 half double crochet, 1 slip stitch, 1 half double crochet, 1 slip stitch. So slip stitch is always on the rows. I'm at the end of the row, and you have to make last half double crochet, so you will always finish with half double crochet. So start with half double crochet and finish with half double crochet. Now we have to join the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch, not in chain. Chain 1 always, and always turn your work. And we will continue working in the same pattern. So start always with half double crochet. So first stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, 1 slip stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet again. So you can see well where should be half double crochet. Slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch in the next stitch. So continue working like this all the way around. At the end of each round, always finish the round with half double crochet. Okay, this is last stitch of the round, and then you have to join the round with the slip stitch always in the first stitch, not in the chain. Then chain 1, turn your work, and continue working. Okay, you have 1 stitch left, so there has to go 1 half double crochet, then join the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch. So this is the first stitch where you have to make slip stitch, chain 1 and turn. And continue working until you reach the desired height of the head, but half centimeter less. And for an adult size, it's 20 centimeters. And circumference for the adult size is 55 centimeters. Okay, now if you are on the right side of the head, you can start to make 1 round of half double crochets. So you will make chain 1, or you can make chain 2 if you want. I'm going to make just chain 1 and then 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way around. At the end of the round, you have to join the round with a slip stitch again, and in this first stitch, not in chain, so make a slip stitch, don't turn, then chain 1, and now we have to decrease. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. We have 4 loops on your hook and pull it through all 4 loops, and then repeat it again. So decrease by decrease. So decrease by decrease, and at the end of this row, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Okay, and that's all. You can cut the yarn, and now we are going to use yarn needle, and we are going to close the hole with yarn needle, and that's all. Okay, so stitch it like this all the way around, and then we will tighten it, and that's it. Okay, how I said, we have to tighten, and now I'm going to make a few more stitches in the same way. Okay, and make a few more stitches also on the wrong side of your beanie. Then you can make a simple knot. You can cut the yarn. And the last step is you have to sew and hide all tails inside the beanie. If you want, you can send me photos of your project, of your beanies on my Instagram profile at Thomas Sheep. Okay, now I want to show you how to hide this starting tail. It's pretty simple. Just go there and back. But go back over one stitch here. You can cut the yarn and then you can use pom-pom if you want, and that's all from me for today. So I hope you like my beanie, you like my pattern. Thank you for watching and see you soon.